My name's Nick Street. I'm the Director of VICIVISION Engineering Limited. Been going for 12 years. We serve predominantly the aerospace industry, motorsport, medical. We run 11 sliding head lathes ranging from 4mm bar-fed machines to 38mm.
Aerospace accreditation, which we got our AS9100. We got that at our earliest possible opportunity just to show where we plan to be on quality, because as the logo suggests, our reputation is everything. So we've been with OGP, I think it's 6-7 years now, and the same with the Vici. It's the repeatability, it's the speed. We use Prolink's QC Calc. That stayed with us through our Vici and OGP journey, having that single point of contact for all of our metrology equipment. It's a better way to work. We have 11 sliding head machines out there. They make a lot of parts very, very quickly. You have to be able to check them. It's the cornerstone of everything, so you need the speed and the flexibility.
We've got the CNC 200, which we upgraded from our zip light, mainly to have the Zone 3 software to allow us to program offline in preparation for the components coming through.
Having the Zone 3 meant that without tying an inspection machine up, we can do the process on the PC. We're measuring better and we're measuring more consistently. Vici has exceeded what Trust Precision expected to get from it. It's become an integral part of our processes.
Particularly what I was looking for was being able to measure intersections that manually I couldn't have checked. So it's just opened up areas of inspection where before I would have expected them to be right because the profile was machined on a CNC. I can check certain features, whereas a radius into another radius into an angle I couldn't have done. When you start getting down to a few microns, there can be a discrepancy between one person and another, whereas with the Vici you don't get that. Everybody checks it the same.
We've been using QC Calc for 6-7 years. It's something that's embedded into our processes that we're using every day, creating control plans and fares and PPAPs. The data goes back to our server so we can pick it up. They're all networked throughout. We can be in Unit 5 doing the Vici measurements, and if that OGP is tied up, then we come over and pick it up on the OGP in Unit 2, but the same QC Calc data merges within a file that's on our server.
It shows any trend. If something's wearing, it will show a trend. If we're inspecting regularly, you can see something's starting to move towards top limit or bottom limit. It just puts all that information there for the operator to see. So as soon as we ran an inspection, that software populates the screen and you can see the results. Generally, a lot of our customers will come to us to help them with parts they may be producing themselves. They trust our inspection over their own. I suppose we are seen within our customers as a gold standard where the inspection side of things are concerned.
The QC Calc does exactly what it says we want it to do. The VICIVISION suits our purpose very, very well, and we don't really see anything out there which is better. With the OGP, we feel we've got a high-end product. The fact it's all within Carfulan, that wasn't the driver, but my goodness, I'm glad we did, because a lot of the parts will touch all of the technologies. So if we ring up with a problem with a part, we know we're speaking to the person who deals with all of the technologies that we use. It's the products that drew us in, but it's the service that's going to keep us.